Welcome to Japanese Easy Study Channel. Today we are going to learn about Nani Nani ni ikimasu in Japanese, which means go to do something. If you want to say go to do something in Japanese, they use the structure propose plus ni ikimasu, which means you put your propose in front of the express ni ikimasu. That will mean go to do your purpose. Now let's learn new words in this video clip, which we will use this word to make the example of how to use the structure of purpose plus ni ikimasu. Kaimono, kaimono, shopping. Ikimasu, ikimasu, go to. Kensa, kensa, examination. Viewing, viewing, hospital. Konbini, konbini, convenience store. Nomimono, nomimono, drinking. Cow, cow, buy. Baito, baito, work part-time. Now let's see some sample of how to use the structure of purpose plus ni ikimasu. Super ni kaimono ni ikimasu. Super ni kaimono ni ikimasu. Which means I go shopping at the supermarket. I go shopping at the supermarket. In this sentence, you will see that for the red letter is the purpose, kaimono, to buy something, right? So when you use the express purpose plus ni ikimasu, is something like this. Let's see the next example.病院に検査に行ってきます。病院に検査に行ってきます。Which means I will go to the hospital for an examination. I will go to the hospital for an examination. For the second sentence, you will see the red letter that is the purpose, kensa, which means examination, and followed by ni itekimasu. In this sentence, you see that they don't use ikimasu, right? They use itekimasu in Japanese, which means go and come back. So this sentence will mean I will go to the hospital for examination and come back, but they don't translate directly because it's not enjoy to listen. Let's see the next example. Konbini ni kaimono o kai ni ikimasu. Konbini ni kaimono o kai ni ikimasu. Which means I'm going to the convenience store to buy a drink. I'm going to the convenience store to buy a drink. In this example, you see the red letter is the purpose and followed by the ni ikimasu. Sometimes the purpose is longer. In this example, you will see that no mimono o kai ni is a quite long express. What is the purpose? So we can use. The purpose can whatever is a sentence or is a expression, that's okay, no problem. The next example, これからバイトをしに行きます。これからバイトをしに行きます。which means I'm going to work part-time now. I'm going to work part-time now. In this example is the same. You see that the red letter バイトをし which means it's a long expression and is the purpose of this sentence. Thank you very much for watching my video clip and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. ありがとうございました。